I have two student projects for you. The first one is going to practice using your adjustment layers and doing some minor photo editing. I want you to take a photo from your phone or camera, and I want you to edit that photo. It could be a picture of an object, a picture of your dog, a picture of your workspace. I'd love to see how you took a raw, unedited photo and made it a lot more polished and professional. The second project is to create a social media post similar to what we used before using a gradient map. You can use a picture of a person, an object, and use a simple quote to go along with it. I can't wait to see what you guys come up with for your projects. Of course, all projects are optional and they help you practice the tools that we learn throughout the class.